You are standing at the edge of the terminal. Your flight leaves in 2 hours. Do you cram your life into a tiny wheeled box and drag it everywhere? Or do you surrender a giant suitcase to the mysterious underground conveyor belts? That is the ultimate travel dilemma. The battle between carry-on luggage and checked baggage is not just about packing. It is a choice about how you want to experience the world. Let me explain the real trade-offs so you can make the right call. Size and weight. Carry-on luggage forces you to be ruthless. You are locked into a very specific box of space. Every single shirt and pair of shoes must justify its existence. You learn quickly that versatility is king. You cannot bring heavy boots just in case it snows. You bring comfortable sneakers because you know you will walk miles in them. This limitation is a mental filter that strips away excess, but that restriction can feel like a straitjacket. On the flip side, checked luggage offers glorious freedom. You are usually given 50 pounds of allowance. That is a massive amount of fabric and gear. You can pack a heavy winter coat. You can throw in 3 different pairs of shoes without a second thought. You want to bring your own specialized coffee gear? Go for it. The checked bag absorbs your indecision. However, you must remember you still have to move this beast from your house to the car and from baggage claim to your hotel. 50 pounds feels heavier when you are dragging it upstairs in a building with no elevator. Bottom line, carry-on demands discipline while checked bags indulge your comfort, but that comfort comes with a heavy physical tax. Cost. Cost is where airlines play their best games. For decades, throwing a bag in the cargo hold was just part of the ticket price. Those days are largely gone. Checking a bag now is basically a subscription service for your clothes. You're looking at $30 to $50 each way on a standard domestic flight. That adds up fast. If you take a family of 4, you might drop $400 just to transport your socks. It's a hidden tax on your vacation budget. Carry-on luggage usually dodges this bullet. Most major airlines still let you roll a standard cabin bag on board for free. It feels like a small victory every time you walk past the payment kiosk. But do not get too comfortable. Budget airlines have flipped the script entirely. They'll charge you a premium just to bring a bag into the cabin. Sometimes checking the bag is actually cheaper than carrying it on with these carriers. You must read the fine print before you book. So here's the deal. Carrying your bag is usually the economical choice for legacy carriers, saving you serious cash over a year of constant travel. Liquids. Now we arrive at the most frustrating part of modern air travel, the liquid rules. If you choose the carry-on life, you are choosing to play the 3-1-1 game. Every liquid, gel, or aerosol you own must fit into tiny 3.4-ounce bottles. All of those bottles must squeeze into a single clear bag. It means leaving your favorite full-size shampoo at home. It means you cannot buy a nice bottle of wine or a jar of local honey while you're on your trip. It takes mental energy to decant your life into miniature plastic tubes. Checked baggage eliminates this headache completely. The cargo hold does not care about your full-size sunscreen or your expensive face wash. You can pack a massive bottle of local hot sauce you found at a street market. You can bring back bottles of vintage wine from your vacation. The freedom to carry full-size liquids is often the single biggest reason people decide to check a bag. If your trip involves bringing home liquid souvenirs, or if you refuse to compromise on your skincare regimen, the checked bag is your only realistic option. Airport experience. Your choice of luggage completely dictates your physical reality inside the airport. Let us look at the carry-on approach. You walk in the front doors and you never stop moving. You bypass the long lines at the check-in counters entirely. You hold your boarding pass on your phone and march straight to security. But here is the catch. You are now a pack mule. You have to drag that suitcase through the crowded terminal. You have to awkwardly maneuver it into small bathroom stalls. You are tethered to this rolling box until you finally find your seat. Checking a bag completely changes this dynamic. Yes, you have to wait in line to drop it off. That requires arriving earlier. But the moment you hand that heavy suitcase to the agent, a weight lifts. You are suddenly free. You can glide through security with just a small backpack. You can browse the airport shops without knocking over displays. You can sit comfortably at a terminal restaurant without playing Tetris with your belongings. The airport becomes a place you can walk through comfortably instead of an obstacle course. You're trading time at the check-in counter for absolute physical freedom in the terminal concourse. Time spent. Time is the most valuable currency you have when you travel. Carry-on luggage makes you incredibly efficient. Think about the entire timeline of a trip. You skip the bag drop line, you get on the plane, you land. This is where the magic happens. While everyone else is trudging toward the baggage claim, you are walking straight out the front doors. You save 30 to 60 minutes on the back end of every single flight. If you travel frequently, that time compounds into days of your life given back to you. Checked luggage demands a significant time sacrifice. You have to add at least 45 minutes to your departure arrival time just to handle the drop-off line. Then comes the anxiety of the arrival. You stand around that metal carousel with 100 other tired people. You watch identical black suitcases circle endlessly. You wait and hope yours made the trip. Sometimes it takes 20 minutes, sometimes it takes an hour. Checking a bag forces you to operate on the airline's timeline, while carrying your bag allows you to operate strictly on your own schedule from start to finish. Risk of loss. Mistakes happen. When you travel with a carry-on, the risk of the airline losing your bag is absolute zero. Your belongings are physically with you. You place them in the overhead bin yourself. You take them out yourself. You never have to experience the sinking feeling of standing at an empty carousel at midnight wondering where your clothes went. Your peace of mind is entirely secure. Checked baggage requires a massive leap of faith. The moment that bag disappears behind the rubber flaps, it enters a chaotic system of conveyor belts, scanning machines, and hurried baggage handlers. Most of the time, the system works perfectly, but when it fails spectacularly. Bags get routed to the wrong continent, they get left out in the pouring rain on the tarmac, things break inside. Your vacation can be instantly derailed because your gear is sitting in an airport 3,000 miles away. Bottom line, if you are carrying essential medication, critical electronics, or a custom tuxedo for a wedding tomorrow, you absolutely cannot check it. Keep those important items safely by your side. Conclusion. Make your choice based on these facts. Consider your itinerary carefully before deciding. Pack smart, move with genuine purpose, choose the option that fits your specific travel needs the very best.